How to insert logo in CapCut. So if you want to insert logo into CapCut, it's very simple to do so. Just open up the CapCut application and let's say there's a certain logo that you want to add throughout your video. Now to do so, at the very top, just go to the import option and select the import button and just select the particular logo file that you want to add over here, right? So I'll just go ahead and search for a certain logo right here. Once I've searched for a certain logo, if I want to add this to the video, just drag it on your video like this. Now, first of all, customize the size of the logo that you want, right? So right over here, let me just go ahead and select this first of all. And after I've gone ahead and done that, I will simply only select this and I'll simply go ahead and choose to drag it to a certain portion. So let's say I want this to be on the top left. I will select the top left of the screen. And I can also drag this if I want it throughout the entire video. It will just give that logo to me throughout the entire video. And this way I'll be able to insert any sort of logo into CapCut. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.